guys, and today, hey, I'm going to be singing Dissonance 2 Ways to Be Wicked without the music in the background. So you rate in the comments down below how can I sing so. I sing that. And it doesn't even sing it for me. Trust me. You can even hear it. We got all the ways to be W-I-C. Didn't say it. We got all the ways to be W-I-C-K-E. Come on. Hey, 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 hey. Crashing the party, guess they lost my invitation. Friendly reminder, got my own kind of persuasion. Looks like this place could use a bit of misbehavior. Happily ever after with a little flavor. Bad to the bone with even worse intentions. We're gonna steal the show and leave them all the fences. A fairy tale that could be so overrated. Storage your voices and let's get them activated. Long live having some fun. We take what we want. There's so many ways to be wicked with us. Evil lives on the right side or wrong. There's so many ways to be wicked. Apple, apple, dip, dip. Wanna try it? Tick, tick. Take a bite. Come on, be bold. Change the way the story's told. This time the dark is finally getting your attention. We're wicked by the book and class is back in session. You like it, steal it, gotta beat 'em to the treasure. A rite of passage, bad just doesn't get much better. Long live having some fun. We'll take what we want. There's so many ways to be wicked. Mother always knows best. Here, show her past every test. Hear her voice in my head. Evil's the only real way to win. We got all the ways to be. Hey, 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 W-I-C-K-E-D. We got all the ways to be. Come on, hey, hey, W-I-C-K-E-D. Yeah, long live having some fun. We take what we want. There's so many ways to be wicked with us. Evil is on the right side or wrong. There's so many ways to be wicked. We got all the ways to be W-I-C-K-E. Okay, I'm not going to sing the rest, but I only have like a few more minutes left. I was like right here, I accidentally skipped it back. But bye. Tell me how much you like it.